Grrr. God, this is deep. Find shelter. Fast. I'm looking. Just need to orient myself. God damn it. It's solid. Oh my God. Drone audio. The flakes, they're getting thicker. Ugh. Hold on. Over there. Move. Now. The depth is good here. It's calmer. Yes, this will do. Almost there. These damn buckles. Heavy as hell.
Right.
Right. One more. God, it's cold. Need to get this set up. Don't let go of that, old man. God damn it. Oh. No. No, come back. Come on. Got it. Hold fast. Push up. Keep it down. Got it. Bracing. Almost there. Secure the flaps. Just need to anchor it. Stay put. Hold fast. Keep it steady. It's breaking. Push back. God, that was close. Oh, thank God. Inside. Time to thaw this out. Hopefully it doesn't take all night. All right, 2 parts water to 1 part rice. Bubbles starting now. God, that smells good. Perfect. Looks ready to eat. Time's running out. Keep an eye on the perimeter. Ah, finally. Perfect. Oh, God. Warmth. God. Just a bit further. Can't see. God, that's good. I've got to clean this pot before we move on. Good idea. We don't have much water left. Just need to melt a bit more snow. Still freezing. Need more of this. God. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. I need to keep moving. Staying warm. Damn, it's cold. Time's up. Almost done. Let's go. Almost there. Good work.
Good work.
Ready to go. Well, that's a problem. Found you. Just give me a second. Almost there. Just a little further. There. Done. Like and subscribe for Frost.